Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Orientation errors are one of the most frustrating solar problems because the plant can be built cleanly, look correct from the ground, and still leave energy on the table. A few degrees off in the wrong context does not always create a dramatic failure. It creates a steady drag on yield. One reason this happens is confusion between magnetic north and geographic north, especially when field practices, design assumptions, and site execution are not perfectly aligned. The terms sound close enough that teams sometimes treat them like the same thing. They are not. In practical solar terms, orientation mistakes show up in three ways. First, layout or tracker alignment does not match design intent. Second, performance comparisons become misleading because the reference assumptions are wrong. Third, small directional errors compound across large areas of installed capacity. This is where AI can help in a very grounded way, not by changing the field layout after the fact, but by identifying patterns that suggest orientation-related loss. If one block behaves consistently differently from its peers under similar irradiance and operating conditions, that is a clue worth investigating. Small geometry problems are hard to see in dashboards that were built mainly for alarm handling. They become easier to spot when the system compares expected production patterns against actual block behavior over time. You might think a few degrees cannot matter that much. On a single row, maybe not. Across a commercial or utility scale site, repeated directional bias can absolutely become a material yield issue. Correction starts with validation. Confirm the reference frame, check the design basis, compare the affected assets to neighboring sections, use drone imagery, survey data, and performance history together, not in isolation. Then use AI to rank whether the deviation is likely commercial noise or a fixable source of loss. That ranking matters because not every orientation anomaly deserves the same response. Some need immediate correction, some need monitoring, some belong in the lessons learned file for the next build. This is a good example of why technical precision matters in solar operations. A small conceptual shortcut in the field can become a measurable yield penalty later. The next step is to review one site where block performance differences remain unexplained and test whether reference frame error is hiding inside what looks like routine variance.